Alright guys, I'm running this AEM Air intake. I'm just making some sound clips of it from the cabin so you can hear how it sounds. Sounds really good. I got the tune on it recently, so I'm straight piped, so I'm thinking of getting the cats deleted, just the mid pipe, the mid cats. Kind of like that sound, but thinking about doing that and putting the MagnaFlow muffler on it. Just wanted to show you guys. Hope this helps someone who is looking to get the AEM. It's a really nice sound on it. I don't have no blow-off valve or nothing like that. Alright, I got the windows up. AEM Air intake, turbo boost. And you can hear it really good. I mean, you can hear that turbo really loud. Almost sounds. Take it to 80. Sure if you guys can hear that turbo, but it's really loud. Where the air intake, I'm thinking if I delete the cats and put the X-Pod, no, not X-Pod, X-Mod MagnaFlow muffler. I'm not sure the sound I'm gonna get, but I think it might be nice. I mean, this me just trying to research how to get the best sound. I know Borla has a great sounding muffler and Flowmasters, but I'm really looking into that X-Mod, and it looks like it would give me the options to keep the straight pipe sound with the MagnaFlow signature sound, and then you have no drone technology or something like that. So I'm thinking about doing that and switching out between the modules when I go for the long trips, so I won't have so much drone. But then you can do the extreme delete, and the extreme delete will give you that sort of straight pipe sound, but with a little bit of the MagnaFlow signature sound. So thinking about that. I mean, I love straight pipe, don't get me wrong, it sounds awesome on a cruise. I mean, it sounds good. You have a little drone, but not a lot. As you can hear, I have some drone, but it doesn't bother at all. I'm running on low fuel right now. I'm near the gas station, so don't think I'm just driving like a hooligan without no gas. All right, I gotta be careful over here. Sometimes there's cops, ticket traps over here. I just wanted you guys to hear that that intake. Sounds pretty good. And I got all the windows up, so I mean, the 2019 Cruze isn't as soundproof as the 16 and 17. Well, I had the 16 Cruze, 2016 Gen 2, and it was super quiet. I mean, you could barely hear anything outside. So yeah, I just wanted you guys to hear that. Just a quick little video. Nothing much, nothing major. I'm quite sure some of you guys are already know this stuff, and maybe you haven't upgraded your intake yet, so you just wanted to see how it would sound inside the cabin. So yeah, this is what AME sounds like in the cabin. Sounds really good, man. And also the BNR TUNE. So I mean, since I got the BNR TUNE, I'm trying to make as many videos as I can on anything that's bolted on here. So we're looking good as far as the air intake. All right, guys. Until next time, be safe, man. Take it easy.